Okay, so today we're going to learn how to draw or to prepare a charcoal pencil. This is the Ritmo charcoal pencil. This is the charcoal pencil that when I was in the animation industry, I had a lot of professors tell me, this is the best in the industry. General is a good brand for student quality when you're learning. They're a little cheaper than this, but not by much. And the problem is that when you get the graphite, or not the graphite, the charcoal in here, if you have a cheaper quality charcoal pencil, they'll have little stones in there. And so if you're dragging out a nice soft area to draw with, problem with that is that a lot of the times you end up getting impure rocks. So if I'm trying to drag this, and I'm trying to get a nice soft area like this, and then all of a sudden there's a rock and it creates a hard line like that in the middle of it, that's not acceptable. Okay, so Ritmo is the brand that I would choose. And again, if you're using inferior products, sometimes it can hold you back and it can be setting you back because you get frustrated because you're working against your soft or your charcoal or your materials in general. All right, so to sharpen this, we're looking to sharpen this by going in, laying it in your fingers like this and pinching it with your thumb, and then placing the blade on the top, holding that blade here, but using this thumb to guide it. And just, you want to take little tiny pieces of wood away. You don't want to put a lot of weight on it, and you want to constantly rotate the blade. And the reason we're going to do it that way is so that you avoid breaking it, obviously. The other thing is that there's glue in this wood to hold the charcoal in place within that stem, and you're going to get through that too. And so see, I'm just gradually going about it, and I'm not trying to get it all done in 3 swipes. Okay. Here's what a finished one looks like. Okay, you see how long it is? And what I'll do with this is I like to sharpen this by dragging it on a piece of paper until I can get this kind of a treatment. And that's when I know that I've got what I need and I can proceed to draw. The other thing you can do is you can use the little sandpaper bar that you get. And the little sandpaper is very helpful. This is the sandpaper. Comes in a little block or a little block like this. And you can go and shave it. And this is twofold. You can do this to get graphite down, or not graphite, but charcoal down on the paper. And then you can get a piece of paper or a tissue, and you can smear it around to tone your paper. Which will enable you to go back in, and you can draw with an eraser. Trying to get a bald eagle in here. Kind of. Draw with the eraser, and then you can tone it back in. So that's what we're looking for, okay? And again, you want to grab this, you want to draw this like you're sewing. You want to grab this and you want to go in. Hold it like this. Use your fingertips. Use your fingertips. Let's get down here and see if you can see the fingertips. You want to get the fingertips. So when you're drawing, your fingertips are touching the paper, and you can grab and you can drag. And then if need be, you can get on your knuckle and you can put fine lines in there. And this is what we want. We want to be here. We want to be pushing various line and weight. Okay? That's what we're looking for. That's the advantage of working with the charcoal pencil in this configuration. All right? Hope that helped.